Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hola que tal? I'm Steph and this is my YouTube channel. I am doing a Linjer jewelry haul. I have been so excited to film this because they actually reached out to me. They asked if they could send me some of their jewelry, and honestly, this came at like the best moment ever because when they reached out to me, it was around the time of my birthday. So it was like such an amazing early birthday present. Thank you guys at Linjer so much for reaching out to me and giving me this opportunity to work with you guys. I am beyond honored and excited for this. I wanted to let you guys know that I have a special offer for you guys in the description box of this video. I also was able to work with the brand to create an ambassador edit page where I chose my personal favorites from their entire jewelry collection, and you guys can see all of my picks, the ones that I loved the most and the ones that are most my style. So definitely check it out. It's all gonna be linked in the description of this video. Just a quick disclaimer for you guys. I am not being paid to say anything in this video. I just wanted to share with you guys some of these products and share my thoughts on them. However, the products were sent to me by this brand. I am so excited for these kinds of opportunities to come. I'm always gonna be honest about everything that I share as far as companies or products. I'm a Libra. We love fairness and justice and all of that. So Linjer is a brand that really does focus on sustainability, and it's one of the main reasons why I was so honored, so excited to receive an email from them about this. They use recycled gold and silver in their jewelry. They also offset all of the carbon emissions for the shipments of their products. First off, I wanted to show you guys the packaging. Each ring has their own individual little gray jewelry pouch. It has the brand name on it. Inside of each of the pouches is this little card that just talks about story of the brand, their efforts for sustainability, how to clean and care for your jewelry. I think that is such an important thing. A lot of brands don't talk about how to care for the jewelry, but caring for the jewelry is what's really gonna make it last. So I really appreciated that they kind of detailed that out for each of the different materials that they stock. These kinds of pouches are the kinds of pouches that you could travel with, that you could use. So I love that they actually made an effort to make their packaging useful and not just decorative. So love the packaging. I mean, obviously I had to get a manicure just to show you guys this jewelry, because what is a ring call without a nice manicure, right? I chose to get all rings because I feel like that is the spot in my jewelry collection that is the most lacking. This one that I'm wearing right here on my middle finger, just to highlight my tattoo and everything, is their Charlotte ring in gold vermeil and with a citrine stone. I have been looking for a citrine ring for so long, and I just couldn't find one that I really connected with or that I loved the style of. Citrine has always been one of my favorite crystals, and I'm just so happy that I can have a little piece of the sun with me every single day. So I absolutely love this ring. I have this simple gold ring, and this is their Live Stacker ring. This is also their gold vermeil material, which I love that they're using this material because I just know how it's gonna wear and how it's gonna last on me. This is just such a pretty minimal ring. It's one of those rings that you can wear in combination with a bunch of other rings. It is very disimulado. I think that everybody needs a simple gold ring in their jewelry collection, and this one is definitely gonna be my new favorite. This middle finger ring that I'm wearing, BESOS ring, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is with some peridot crystals. This ring is just so beautiful. It's so dainty. Peridot crystal is really beneficial for healing and health and just working on your heart chakra. And I feel like we could all use some more healing and some more health right now. So it's definitely one of the reasons why I chose to pick up this crystal specifically. I'm using my hands a lot in the video just to explain, because I just love the way my hands look with these rings on them. I just love it. I think that green jewelry works really well with my skin tone, my more olive skin tone, and my brown hair. So if you have similar skin tone or hair color as I do, I feel like green looks really good on us, no? sickening, no? Okay, the last ring that I'm gonna share with you guys and the last piece that I picked up from them is this gold ring that I'm wearing on my ring finger in gold for May. The live ring are slightly different. The live ring is a lot thinner. I love this ring as well. Again, you need variation in your rings, even in the simple ones. So just having that slight variation of a thicker and thinner band just elevates the style a little bit more. I think wearing these two together would also be super, super pretty. You repeatedly wear these rings, they're never gonna go out of style, and you can continue wearing them throughout all of the seasons, throughout all of the fashion trends that come and go. These rings are definitely going to be here to stay for sure. So that was all of the rings, all of the jewelry that I hauled from Linjer. Check out my ambassador edit page if you guys want to see the type of jewelry that I love. So I have a special offer if you guys want to purchase from Linjer. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below because it really does help and support my channel. Subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you are not already. And yeah, that's everything for this video. I love you guys so, so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao. Mwah.
And the beauty that we did pursue.